Hi everybody, this is Jennifer JEsquireCreations. I know you guys are used to seeing our little speed drawings and stuff, and we really hope that you enjoy them, but I wanted you guys to see our little shop. Now, we do have an online store where you can order stuff from on our Etsy shop, and everything is going to be linked below, so if you don't live local to us, you can definitely order online. But if you also don't live local to us and you see something that you absolutely have to have, then you can go to our Facebook page and send us a DM, and we do ship. So we have some things that are completely exclusive to our little shop. The side says no soliciting. But other things that are completely just for, just for the shop, and other things that are available both online and the shop. So I just wanted to give you a little tour of our Christmas window because it looks so cute. So I'm just going to take you around the window real quick to give you guys a little tour. So we're going to start with, that's a cute shirt we have. A fun thing to do in the morning is not talk to me. And the little cat wearing a Christmas hat, holding a little cup of coffee. And then we have these little mugs in here. We do also, guys, we do personalization, just so you know. But we have lots of adorable little mugs available. This window looks so cute. We have this bag. It's a drama mask bag. We have different versions of the drama mask with and without colors. We have that little pillow right there that says Chicken Whisperer. We have this gorgeous sweatshirt featuring our newest speed drawing that I just did, the Icy Oxalotl. He's on this shirt and he looks so cute. You guys can see that speed drawing. I'll have it linked in the cards for you guys. And then we also have this right here. This is a handmade virus style poncho. It is 100% cotton and it is a one size fits all. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm kind of an extra large and it fits me great. So it has a lot of give. It's a loose crochet. Sorry you guys. Whoa. Good Lord, I'm outside and there's just like trucks going by and stuff, so pardon me for that. And we also have this really cute pillow that says hot cocoa is better with friends. I just wanted to give you guys a little chance to see our shop because, you know, while I do Instagram our shop, and you guys can follow us on Instagram if you like, I don't always show you guys the actual shop unless you follow us on Instagram. So I'm just going to give you guys a little overview of the coziness. It is the cutest, coziest little shop. We have lots of adorable things. There's some more scarves and things. We have unicorn stuff, lots of whimsical things. These are some cute little trinkets and stuff that make good stocking stuffers. But this is just a little peek inside. Guys, these I am so excited about. Please excuse my horrific nail polish. I have to paint my nails. This is definitely not a day where I expect to be on camera or anything, but I'm just doing this for fun. These are the different mugs we have available. So usually the mugs that we have are like these guys. They're just, white mugs. But these are new ones. Let me just put this white one next to you so you can kind of see the difference between the white and the silver. These are silver mugs. Look at that sparkle. Look at that Icy Oxalotl. Look at these different designs. So this is a crazy looking mug. We did this so people could get a gauge of what things are going to look like on the mugs. So let me just get this white one out of the way. So we have this silver one. Now the silver one and the gold one are microwave safe. 3, 2, 1. So we have this silver one, which is honestly my favorite. Super duper favorite one. And then we have the gold. Now, the gold is really pretty as well. And if you guys can tell, they have sparkles in them. There's like a metallic sheen. And this is how things look like on the gold. If you're interested in gold. That's a family picture. That is me. You can't see it, but that is me. And that's my little kitten. So we just put a bunch of different things on here just so people can get a look. But also, guys, this mug is so pretty. I absolutely love it. This is more of so these are very metallic finishes, and this is more of a matte finish, if you guys can tell. And we put colored stuff on here so you guys can get a sense of what they look like. But between you and me, I think that the black outline stuff honestly looks the best on this mug. I think this mug would look awesome with like a graphic design on it, or maybe just some fun words, but awesome new things. And guys, I'm premiering them on here first, honestly, before even Instagram gets to see these. You guys are seeing these. So look at the kitten in 3 different styles. But anyway, so these are our 3 mugs that we have. Also, like I said, you can get a white mug as well if you want to just be, you know, classic. But we have different mug varieties. They will be on the Etsy shop soon. They're not there just quite yet, but they will be there. And then let me just show you guys some really cute compact mirrors. 3, 2, 1. Let me show you guys some really cute compact mirrors that we have. These are great. They're very hardy. They make really good gifts. I'm trying not to get myself in the reflection because I don't look so hot right now, but they're double mirrored compacts and they're really beautiful. And this one says, I just want to drink wine and rescue animals. This one says, Votes for Women. We also have a Votes for Women that has a cat on it. This is our little Alice in Wonderland design. And we have some others here. So just a bunch of different designs. Not all of these are going to be on the Etsy shop. Some of them are going to be just in the shop here. But we definitely have a whole slew of different compact mirrors available. So I just wanted to give you guys a little tour of the store because I don't really share it really on the YouTube channel that much, and we just decorated for Christmas and everything looks so festive and pretty, and I just wanted to give you guys a little tour, a little sneaky peek of, you know, some of the stuff we have. Oh, I love that pillow. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, comment below, and like I said, I will have links to everything below so you can go shopping if you'd like. And if you want to buy anything that you see in the shop right now, just contact us through our Facebook page.